Hi everybody. This is the second in my short series of videos to look at some of those common Power BI deployment scenarios that customers are asking about. In this case, we'll talk about team collaboration. So in the team collaboration model, this is really great for organizations who are starting out to be able to share reports across departments and teams of the organization. These might be functional groups or might be across a leadership group as well. Now, compared to the personal BI model where it's for the individual, the team BI model allows you to publish and share those reports, make them accessible to other users in the organisation. It provides a way to reports, dashboards, mobile functionality, a range and suite of options available to you. You also get full gateway features, allowing you to regularly refresh your data sets and have that then made available for reuse within the Power BI ecosystem. Of course, stepping up from the personal BI with the team BI model, you now have a license, usually per user. Most common is a Power BI Pro, or you might have this already available to you if you are a Microsoft M365 E5 subscription in hand. Hope you found that useful. In the next video, we'll look at the enterprise collaboration model for Power BI.